So what we will be discussing today is the ingredient benzoyl peroxide. One ingredient, three uses. Okay, how to use it the right way. And also few days back I posted a reel. मैंने कुछ दिन पहले एक reel डाली थी और उसमें क्वेश्चन आया था कि दैट यू हैव टोल्ड टू यूज बेंजोइल पेरोक्साइड 2-3 hours बट माई डर्मैट सजेस्टेड मी टू यूज इट ओवरनाइट. सो व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई शुड यूज इट 2-3 hours or overnight, or how to use it? See, benzoyl peroxide, no, it's a very very strong ingredient. It's a very nice for pimples, pimple marks, and the best thing is when you apply benzoyl peroxide it does not cause resistance. benzoyl peroxide पिंपल के लिए बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन वो रेजिस्टेंस कॉज नहीं करता बैक्टीरिया के अगेंस्ट में. ये उसकी बहुत बड़ी खासियत है. benzoyl peroxide is something which is available over the counter. If you're in US, if you're in Canada or Dubai, everywhere you'll find benzoyl peroxide 2.5%, 5%, you'll find it. Okay, so what happens is, like, people are like, how long should I use benzoyl peroxide? And what they do is they start using it overnight. So गलती कहाँ आप कर रहे हो कि आप ओवरनाइट स्टार्टिंग से यूज कर रहे हो. इनिशियली माई एडवाइस वुड बी दैट यूज इट फॉर हाफ एन आवर, स्पेशली अगर आपकी स्किन एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स के यूज टू नहीं है और अगर आप 5% यूज कर रहे हो. इफ यू आर यूजिंग 5% benzoyl peroxide, use it only for half an hour, 1 hour, and see how it's behaving on your skin. Because people who have a very sensitive skin or who have disrupted skin barrier can get redness and irritation with benzoyl peroxide. Okay, so first thing is start with 2.5%. Use it for half an hour, then build to 1 hour, then 2 hours, then 3 hours. Okay, I'll tell you 2 more uses of benzoyl peroxide, so stay till the end. You'll find out a good use of it. Okay, and the second thing is, first is use with 2.5%, half an hour to 1 hour, then 2 hours, then 3 hours, then 4-5 hours maximum is enough. I personally don't prefer overnight. A lot of people prefer overnight. I don't prefer it overnight. In the end, I'll reply to all the queries also. Keep leaving your queries. Okay, then the next thing is, if you're using 5%, start with hardly half an hour to 1 hour, then build up to 2 to 3 hours. My advice would be, don't use benzoyl peroxide overnight. If your skin can take it overnight, you can use it overnight, but I have also seen cases of hypopigmentation with benzoyl peroxide, that the skin goes lighter. अगर आप 5% benzoyl peroxide रात भर यूज करते हो तो हमने ये भी देखा है कि स्किन का जो कलर है, जो मेलानिन है, वो चला जाता है कई बार, बिकॉज benzoyl peroxide can bleach your clothes also, same way it can bleach your skin also. ठीक है, तो जो मेलानिन है वो चला जाएगा. सो यू विल नोटिस कि यहाँ पे वाइट पैचेस आने लगे हैं कुछ लोगों को. तो पर्सनली, ये पर्सनल प्रेफरेंस है. देखो, योर डर्मैट कैन से समथिंग, आई कैन से समथिंग. लिसन टू योर डर्मैट, डोंट लिसन टू मी. अगर आपने पर्सनल कंसल्टेशन लिया है किसी और से, डेफिनेटली लिसन टू देम. बट इफ यू वांट अ जनरल एडवाइस, आई वुड से द लेस इज बेटर. ओके, next thing is benzoyl peroxide washes. You'll get a lot of benzoyl peroxide washes in the market. Face wash obviously you'll get, you can use it as body wash also. Now there are some people जिनको body acne होता है. ठीक है, if you use benzoyl peroxide wash for 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 minutes, I'm really sorry. If you use benzoyl peroxide for 2 to 3 minutes while bathing, you will notice कि आपका जो acne है वो जाने लगा है. But since benzoyl peroxide can be drying, आप बाद में एक moisturizer जरूर use करो. Okay, and if you get folliculitis, like men, you see in the beard area when they shave, or in their body also they get a lot of folliculitis. Folliculitis means छोटे pus वाले pimples हो जाते हैं. They are tiny pimples with pus, not proper pimples, but whenever you shave you will notice, whenever you wax you will notice you get multiple pimples. In that case benzoyl peroxide is really good. And if you just use a benzoyl peroxide wash regularly for bathing, or after shaving 2-3 days, if you use, you can prevent that folliculitis. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होता है. Benzoyl peroxide is not allowed during breastfeeding. Benzoyl peroxide is allowed during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Keep the contact period short, it's fine. Okay, please talk in English, then everyone can understand. I'm talking in English only, but I'm saying it in Hindi also for the Hindi audience to understand, so that both of the guys can understand. Next thing is with benzoyl peroxide, तो पहला हमने देखा कि first thing was that you can use it for 4-5 hours maximum, or start with half an hour for your acne. Okay, be it body acne, be it face acne. Second is benzoyl peroxide washes. You can use the face wash, you can use in body also. So benzoyl peroxide wash. You can use that multiple folliculitis in the beard area men get, or while shaving or waxing, if you get multiple folliculitis in hands or legs, you can use benzoyl peroxide washes. The third thing, you can use benzoyl peroxide, and this will help a lot of people who do not get pimples also. Body odor. If your underarms smell real bad, or if your like the body gets odor a lot, because if you're a sweaty person, and especially in India where the climate is hot and humid at least 8-9 months in a year, that time what you can do is you can use benzoyl peroxide body washes on the areas like underarms and all where it smells a lot. That way benzoyl peroxide will kill the unnecessary overgrowth of the bacteria, and it will prevent bacterial growth, and that is how you will not get body odor. And it really helps a lot of my patients also. It has helped a lot of people. It helps. Benzoyl peroxide body washes for body odor work really well, and there are no side effects. The max side effect you'll get is drying. Use a lotion, okay, and don't keep it for too long. 2 to 3 minutes as a body wash is fine, or as a face wash 1.5 to 2 minutes is fine. Don't rub for 1.5 to 2 minutes, just let it sit there, okay, and after that just wash with normal water and you're good to go. Okay, now I'll be taking questions. 3 uses of benzoyl peroxide I've told. For acne, start with half an hour, keep for 3 to 4 hours. I don't advise it more. Then second thing is for recurrent folliculitis, like multiple small pustules if you're getting in the body, then you can use benzoyl peroxide as a body wash, as a face wash, especially men in the beard region. And the next thing is you can use it as a body wash for body odor. Works really well. Okay, now I'll be taking questions. Open pore suggestions. For open pores, first thing is clean your face nicely and just check if they're open pores or if they are acne scarring, because some people confuse acne scarring with open pores. So, and use salicylic acid twice in a week. It will help you eventually, not in less than 6 to 8 months, but be regular with salicylic acid 6 to 8 months, twice in a week. It will help you. Pigmentation problem. Neelu has pigmentation issues. Neelu, what you do is use kojic acid in the areas which have pigmentation. Make sure your skin is not very sensitive. Cosimax cream you can use, and make sure you're not getting pimples, then only use. If the pigmentation is severe, take a consultation. I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the comment section. You can book a consultation. Open pores and pimples medicine. See Swati, I made a reel on pimple treatment. You go check that. Vandana, big fan of you. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting. Paulina, hi. Then tan removal product, Priya has asked. See, for tan removal you can use glycolic acid. If you're using on the body, use 12% glycolic acid, glyco 12. If you're using on the face, use 6% glycolic acid. For body, start with alternate days, then shift to every day. For face, keep it maximum 2 or 3 times in a week, not more than that. Okay. How to get rid of dark spot from forehead. See, if you're talking about this whole forehead tan, 6% glycolic acid 2 times in a week and kojic acid every day here will help you. First thing. Second thing is, if you're using hair color, it is very common to get tanning here, so avoid using hair color in case you're using. And sun exposure, sunscreen daily. Lipstick shade. I have made a lipsticks video. In that I've shared this shade from Color Bar. I am forgetting the name, but you check that video, it's mentioned there. A lot of people ask this shade, even I love this shade. Color Bar Sinful Matte. I don't know the shade name, just check in that video. Maybe I'll share it today in the stories. Care for pimple prone skin for 50 years old. See, adult acne is something which is difficult to treat, and my advice is, if you try doing, if you have 2-3 acne, try doing a spot treatment with salicylic acid overnight. Okay, daily overnight for 1 week to 10 days. If it's drying, well and good, keep on using. You can use the Dermaco 2% salicylic acid. Use my coupon code DERMIS20. You'll get 20% off. I will get nothing. Okay, no commissions. So you can use it. Spot treatment. If it goes in 1 week, well and good. If it doesn't go, that means you may need oral tablets and other methods of acne removal. Then you can book a consultation with me. I'll leave. Other than chemical peels, what is best for oily skin? Salicylic acid is good for oily skin. Azelaic acid is good for oily skin. Skin whitening tablets, glutathione works. Product for uneven skin, glycolic acid 6% 2 times in a week for face, kojic acid every day. Keep on using it. If you want to start with something mild but good, then use the Dermaco Cica-Glow serum. A lot of my patients found good results with it, and even like when I used it, I liked it. But in my patients, because since I keep on maintaining my skin, so a lot of things work for me. But if something is working for my patients, it has to be real good. So Dermaco Cica-Glow serum has worked good for my patient for acne marks, scarring. If you have active acne, avoid it. But if the acne has settled down, you're worried about pigmentation or marks and some mild thing you want, then Dermaco Cica-Glow serum is really good. 2 times in a week, use Glyco 6 overnight and Dermaco Cica-Glow serum daily. You use in morning also you can use, in evening also you can use. If you have sensitive skin, use in the evening, and use Dermis 20 code. It will give you 20% discount. And black hair on the nose, you get laser hair reduction done if possible. They usually don't go. Scrub करना चाहिए क्या विजय पूछ रहे हैं? नहीं विजय, scrub नहीं करना चाहिए. मैं personally recommend नहीं करती. I don't recommend physical scrubbing. मैं prefer करती हूँ chemical exfoliation with salicylic acid, glycolic acid and all of that. And Dermadew face wash, good for oily skin. For oily skin, if you want in budget, go for Acne Star. Dermadew is good, but it's not great. Okay, so if you want in budget under 150, go for Acne Star. If you have the budget, go for Aha Glow, or Reju Glow is also good. Aha Glow S is also good if you want salicylic acid, so that is also good. Bhargava has asked, can men use hair conditioners? Definitely. One thing, be it a male or be it female, keep in mind, don't use hair conditioner on the scalp, use it on the hair length. So this length for females, and only on the legs, like you massage it like this, a mask or a conditioner, and just put it on the hair strands. If it goes to your scalp, it will give you dandruff. And for females, if you're applying a conditioner and leaving your hair open for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it will give you body pimples, body acne. Don't do that. Okay. Dark circles, I've suggested so many creams for dark circles. You haven't watched, go watch Kishmish. Such a cute name. Go watch it. Dark circle creams. No, why not to apply kajal for the dark circles and all of that. Pimples only in winter season. I need to check your skin, Ashwarya, in that case. अर्पणा हिंदी में बताओ यार. हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बताने की कोशिश की. बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है हिंदी इंग्लिश का. मेरे बहुत सारे पेशेंट साउथ इंडियन है, वो कहते हैं इंग्लिश में बताओ, नॉर्थ इंडियंस कहते हैं हिंदी में बताओ. Say about kojic acid. Kojic acid is good, one of the best ingredients I find for pigmentation lightening. Obviously 3 to 4 months लगते हैं for it to work, but then use it every day overnight, and you can start with alternate days and then shift to every day if it suits you. And always pair with glycolic acid once or twice in a week. I get pimples every time. You get threading and upper lips, so use a benzoyl peroxide wash. Make sure hygiene is getting maintained. Instead of threading, you can use a face razor like I do. For I have not gone to this parlor in like the last 3 years, like 2 years or so. I have not gone to the parlor for 2 to 3 years. I have not gone to parlor for threading and for upper lips and all. I just shave it with a face razor. Okay, and my 12-year-old daughter can use Acretin cream for acne. Dude, for kids, don't ask general questions. Always take proper consultation. For kids, their skin is very sensitive, and a person of 12 years age is going through a lot of hormonal changes. Okay, please suggest for dry skin. Prashanti, for dry skin, there is this Moiz, M-O-I-Z, Moiz cleansing lotion and Moiz moisturizer. You can use both, or Cetaphil gentle cleanser and Cetaphil damp moisturizer. You can use both. Both are good. Moiz is personal favorite. I like it a lot. And chalo, I think we are done. Or shall we take more questions? My skin is so sensitive. Please tell face wash, sunscreen and moisturizer. You try the Physiogel moisturizer. Good for sensitive skin. Body tanning, I've made a video. Excessive dryness and itching around the mouth. It can be some kind of dermatitis. Take proper treatment. Open pores, I've told. Hyperpigmentation, dark spots. Keep in mind 2 times in a week. Glycolic acid 6% and kojic acid every day. Okay. Then which sunscreen is best for acne prone skin? Acne UV gel, UV dew, Dermaco sunscreen, or Photo Stable Gold sunscreen. All are good. Check old videos, you'll get more recommendations. uh, Ramya, I'm a big fan of you. Thank you. Dark circles, made a video. Then can I use ketoconazole shampoo for tiny bumps? Please tell me how to get rid of these tiny bumps. It's hard to remove. See Ashish, if it is fungal, ketoconazole shampoo helps, but we have to see if it is a fungal infection or is it a bacterial infection. We have to check that. But you can use ketoconazole shampoo for tiny bumps. Try using benzoyl peroxide also once in a day and see if it makes any difference. Abhirami asked how to get rid of body acne. You take the Dermaco 2% salicylic acid serum and apply it overnight, and while bathing use Benzonix body wash for bathing. Lip care with SPF. I've made a video, lip balms with SPF. Go check the old reels. 2-3 options, you will get good ones. Very deep dark circles, you have used Avarta cream but no use. You try using the Sesderma K-Vit serum. Check your serum of ferritin. If serum ferritin is fine or not, you might be deficient in iron. Dermaco Coat Dermis 20, DERMIS, Dermis T2020. Melacare Fort, nothing with hydroquinone, dear. Then more questions. Dandruff with excess hair fall. My advice would be first treat dandruff. Use ketoconazole based shampoo. 2% ketoconazole is good. Apply only on the scalp. Don't wash the whole hair with it. Hair will get frizzy. And just keep for like 10 minutes at least on the scalp and then wash. It's good. And then start your hair vitamins and anything. I've made a video. Go check it out. Skincare for bride to be. I would advise that take personal consultation, because if anything breaks you out, then you'll come to me. Dr. Anzi has asked ki I have keratosis pilaris. A lot of people have it. Used glycolic acid and urea cream, but once I stopped, it again starts appearing. So keratosis pilaris cannot be treated permanently. You have to keep on maintaining it. So keep on using your glycolic acid and urea cream. Okay, don't stop it. Pimple marks on the face, if you're having, use azelaic acid. Aziderm 15% cream is there. You can use it twice in a week. I would advise. Rest of the days use kojic acid or the Dermaco Cica-Glow serum, because I have seen that azelaic acid can be a bit too much for some people to tolerate and the skin starts getting red. So start with 2 times or 3 times in a week, and then like 3 times in a week is more than enough. I have used Panderm over the years. Now I have stopped. Does it get recovered? Yes, your skin will get recovered. It will take time. If your skin is behaving abruptly, please take a treatment, proper treatment. Panderm, steroid based cream, Betnovit. Guys, stop using on the face, Skin Light and all. Kojic acid helpful for uneven skin tone, definitely helpful. Best solution for freckles. Sunscreen in the morning. Freckles can only be prevented, they cannot be treated. You cannot 100% prevent their appearance. If you want to get rid of them, get laser done, but they can come again if there is no sun protection. And even with sun protection, freckles may come in people who are very prone to freckles. Okay, can I use vitamin C with kojic acid? Yes, you can use, but why do you want to use? This is what I don't understand. Can I layer this with this with this? Okay, why do you want to layer? First, let one ingredient work for you. Then introduce the second. Introduce one in the morning. Introduce one in the evening. Do like this now. Why do you want to mix everything? Because see, even the ingredients that can be mixed together, people who have sensitive skin sometimes get redness, irritation, rashes. Okay, for eyebrow thickness, what you can do, if hair follicles are active, then it can grow. Minoxidil works for eyebrow thickness. And which benzoyl peroxide, any brand name is fine. 2.5% for beginners. Use 2.5%. It is not enough, then go to 5%. Okay. And can use retinol and vitamin C. Again, why do you want to use it? No. Use vitamin C in the morning, retinol at night. Don't use the two together. Okay. Facial pigmentation, I've already told. Hair regrowth tips. First of all, vitamin D supplementation, iron supplementation, hair vitamins, and proper diet with more protein. And then if hair's falling a lot, 2% minoxidil. Okay, so tell me about Panderm, because no other cream is useful for whitening. So using Panderm currently. Varun, stop using Panderm. It can permanently ruin your facial skin. It is high in steroids, which should not be used for face. You can go for glutathione and all, but permanently throw it in the dustbin. Do not use Panderm on your face. Okay, if you are using, then use at your own risk. My advice would be don't use. Please save the video. Definitely how to reduce thinning of hair. First thing is thinning of the hair. I've told all vitamins and everything. You see, my hair has also started growing a lot. You guys saw like 2 months back I had so much of hair thinning because of post-COVID hair fall and all. It takes 4 to 6 months of regular treatment for hair to show result. Okay, so be regular. Dr. Shades peel or Dermaco peel, which is the best? I've used Dermaco, not used Dr. Shades. Dermaco one is fine, but it depends rest of the week what you're using. Just peel once in a week for 3 to 5 minutes will make a difference. Definitely won't make much of a difference. That is not the only thing your skincare depends on. Okay, how should we consult you directly? You can WhatsApp on 9764506561. That's the WhatsApp number. Just drop a WhatsApp message. Please don't call. Small whiteheads, very hard ones on the face, small dark patches. For whiteheads, you can use salicylic acid overnight. It will help eventually. Chalo, tell me about Panderm. Varun, I've replied already. Then let's take one last question. Pigmentation around the chin area. If you're multiple times plucking your hair, stop doing that. First thing, glycolic acid alternate days 6% and kojic acid on that area overnight you use. If the area is sensitive, use only like 4 days in a week, rest 3 days, let your skin rest. Okay, black underarms ko dur kaise kare? First of all, lose weight, and second thing is glycolic acid 12%. You can apply in the night time on a clean skin. Start with alternate days, shift to every day. Okay, chalo, finally it has been quite a long time. It was good talking to you guys. Thank you so much.